and this experiment is based on conduction of heat. And today I will show you some setup. I am going to do one experiment which will show you that how the heat transfer from higher temperature to lower temperature. For that I have taken some objects to do this experiment, and that is glass. This is scale. On this scale I have put some wax and I have stick this nails with the help of this wax. Okay, and this is our arrangement. From this I will do that experiment in which I will show you that how the heat transfer from one point to another point. Here actually the transfer is due to the collision of the particles. They collide with each other and the heat transfer from higher temperature to lower temperature. This is the process of conduction, and it will flow until both the temperature will become same. Is it clear? So student, I am going to perform the experiment. Now you see that I have taken one candle and I will light it. I will light this candle and I will show you that how the heat transfer from one point to another point. For that I have to make one side the difference in temperature. To make difference in temperature, I am going to heat one end. You will observe that what will happen one by one. You will observe that when the particles will collide with each other, all the nails will fall down. It will show you that how the heat has been transferred from one point to other point, one temperature to other temperature. This happens due to the collision of the molecules. Look here. Here the heat is transferring from, due to the collision in molecules, all the nails will fall down. It will show that how the heat is transferring from one end to other end. You have saw the heat has been collided and it reaches here the particles, then these nails have been fall down. Similarly, every nails will fall one by one. See here, the nails have fallen. So this shows that, so what you have saw that this is the particles, these are the particles of that object of this iron rod, which shows that it is a good conductor of heat, in which the particles collide with each other and there is a transfer of heat due to the collision of particles, and it transfers from higher temperature to lower temperature, and this is the process conduction. Okay, thank you student. I will come from my next video with another experiment. Thank you.